Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hanif bin Saharul Azhar. In this video, my group members and I would like to present the experimental video about heat transfer phenomena. Before we start our video, I would like to present our group members. First is me, Muhammad Hanif bin Saharul Azhar, DD190066. Next, Muhammad Diaw Zaman bin Suhaidi, DD190063. Then Muhammad Nabil Fikri bin Nurul Helmi, DD190020. And the last one is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Sa'ad, DD190065. There are three types of heat transfer phenomena, which are conduction, convection, and radiation. First, what is conduction? Conduction is the transfer of energy from the more energetic particles of a substance to the adjacent less energetic ones as a result of interaction between the particles. Next is convection. What is convection? The convection is the mode of energy transfer between a solid surface and the adjacent liquid or gas that is in motion, and it involves the combined effects of conduction and fluid motion. And the last one is radiation. The radiation is the energy emitted by matter in the form of electromagnetic wave as a result of the changes in the electronic configuration of the atom or molecules.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Diaw Zaman bin Suhaidi, and today I'm going to talk about conduction. For example, if you keep a metal spoon in a pot of curry or anything food that is hot, soon the entire spoon will get hot too. But how does the end of the spoon outside of the hot curry becomes hot? So let me conduct an experiment to study about heat transfer that occurs in the spoon. Okay, for the apparatus we have candles or the flame source, spoon, and small rods. First, take the spoon, melt the wax of the candle and use it to stick a few rods on the metal spoon at regular interval like this. And then after light the candle, place the burner at the free of the spoon and observe. We see the pins start to drop down, and one by one as the wax stuck to the metal spoon melts. First rod that fell is the one that is closest to the flame source, and the last one falls, so is the further. This shows that the heat is traveling from one to another. And then we are done. After you see the experiment, can you understand what about this conduction? So conduction is transfer of heat without any movement in the particles of the object, and it occurs only in solid. Heat is transferred from high temperature to low temperature region. Do you know that all metals are good conductor of the heat? So that is why all the cooking tools are made from metal to transfer heat from the flame to the food so they will cook.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nabil Fikri bin Nurul Helmi, and today I will show you a convection experiment for heat transfer by subject. So first, we need to prepare the apparatus. So first, we need a container that filled with room temperature water, and then a cup of hot water, and then two color of food coloring, red and green, and also the switch. So let's continue for the experiment. Okay, let's start our experiment. First, put a drop of green color on the center of the container, and then put a red color on left side and right side of the container, and then pick up carefully and put it right above the hot cup of water on the green color, and then we wait for about a minute to see the result. Okay, as you can see, a green color go upward to the surface and red color go to green area, which is red color from the left go to the center and from the right go to the center, which is cold region go to hot region. Therefore, this is how convection works. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Sa'an, and today I will talk about radiation. As an example, when you stand in the sunlight, you can feel the warmth of the sun. The sun can raise the temperature of your skin and body without touching you. It transfers its heat energy to your skin by radiation. So let me conduct a simple experiment that shows how radiation works. So for this experiment, we just need a toaster and a piece of bread. Notice the temperature and the appearance of the bread. It's soft and white. Next, put the bread in the toaster and start toasting. Do you see the red wires? The red wires are red because electricity is flowing through them and heating them up. The heat is radiating from the hot wires and increasing the temperature in the air and object around them. Notice the temperature and the appearance of the bread is different than before it was toasted. The heat radiating from the wires transferred to the bread. These heat transfer experiments show that heat not only increases the temperature of the bread, it causes chemical changes in the bread also. We can see this by the color changes, and it turned from soft to crispy. So, do you understand about radiation? Radiation is the transfer of heat by electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves carry the heat energy from the toaster to the bread, transferring that heat to whatever object they touch. We can't see this wave, but we know they exist. That's all from me. Thank you.